Magandang araw po. After 2 months of investigation, gathering evidence, sifting through testimonies of witnesses, the Office of the Ombudsman announces today that we have issued a resolution finding probable cause to file criminal charges in connection with serious irregularities uncovered in a major flood control project in Oriental Mindoro. Criminal informations have now been filed in the Sandigan Bayan against former Congressman Elizalde Zaldico, several officials of the DPWH Region 4B, including the Regional Director, Assistant Regional Directors, Project Engineer, Materials Engineer, and Chiefs of the Quality Assurance, Maintenance, and Design Divisions, and the Board of Directors of SunWest Corporation as private respondents. They face the following charges. First, malversation of public funds through falsification of public documents under Article 217 in relation to Article 171, Paragraph 4 of the Revised Penal Code, violation of Section 3E of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, or RA 3019, and for former Congressman Ko, violation of Section 3H of RA 3019 for receiving unwarranted financial or pecuniary benefits. The complaint was filed by the Independent Commission for Infrastructure on September 29, 2025, based on their comprehensive report on illegalities and irregularities in the procurement, construction, and implementation of projects in Region 4B. The subject of this case is the flood control project for the construction of a road dike along the Mag-asawang Tubig River in Nauhan, Oriental Mindoro, and the project budget was 289,498,230 pesos and 6 cents.